Legendary secrets of the Gulf of Mannar. The Gulf of Mannar in the Indian Ocean harbors ancient mythological secrets, with tales of mystical creatures inhabiting its waters. Northern Bay of Bengal wonders. Numerous shipwrecks and underwater treasures hide beneath the waves of the Northern Bay of Bengal, forming captivating underwater landscapes. Hidden archaeological marvels in coral reefs. The coral reefs in the Indian Ocean conceal ancient archaeological marvels, with lost civilizations and submerged structures waiting to be explored.